Guys, today's video is totally for bike and bicycle riders. Today's all gadgets are used for safety of riders and to make their bikes and bicycles stylish. If you are a rider, then these all gadgets you should have. If you are new on my channel, subscribe it and also like the video. Guys, welcome to all of you on Gadget World. Begin with the first gadget, and the beginning will be this high-tech hard lead backpack case for bikers. The backpack is smart and has app control. All you have to do is turn it on, simply connect to your smartphone, and then in this app you will get lots of animations will already be available, which you can look at the LED screen of this backpack display. Two small LED screens are on both sides, on which you can see different types of eyes, or you can play text or any animation. End space is also very good. This backpack is especially for bikers and would suit you a lot. Think about your bike. How to control lighting from your smartphone. Control it, so this is such a light kit. Friends, with whom you can change your style. You will be able to customize your bike with this. The light kit consists of LED strips, and not normal but smart LED strips, so it can be controlled from the phone. You simply put them on your bike. You will have to put it on the side. If you get it, you can get it installed by a mechanic also. Yes, because cables etc. will also be there in this kit, but once it is installed on the bike, so ready to do the show. There are all different colors and modes. It has a lot of unique styles, and friends, with this, your bike every day will also get a new awesome look. It has a triple flash brake light pattern also happens, and many more like this. Cool patterns are also absolutely vibrant and with crispy colors, which normal or sports bike by its look will take it to another level. And what's more, with the turn indicators of your bike, these will also grow in sync. You can complete customize and upgrade the entire bike with this kit. I thought that bicycle people, when problems arise, they run to the repair shop, so why not have such a mini but powerful multi-tool with which all the functions of the bicycle can be done. Problems can be solved easily while sitting at home, so this is the same multi-tool, friends. This one, many different types inside gadgets and tools of all sizes are available in it. All are tools which are fitted to a bicycle. The screw and nut are of the size of the bolts, designed according to it, and even if you have to open the tire of a bicycle, there is also a small lever present in it and the size of this tool is also so small that it will remain in your pocket and you will feel it. It would not be possible that there was anything left in a separate pocket. Now also about this helmet, in short, it not hurts your head, along with protecting your ride, will make it more convenient at the end road and also greatly reduce the chances of accident, because most accidents due to negligible. That's why there are cars where trucks, drivers, bicyclists in the dark can't see, but in Lumos Ultra both front and back sides are very bright lights remain integrated. Lights that provide complete 360 degrees coverage, i.e., vehicles coming from any direction will be able to see from a distance through these lights. The helmet is rechargeable. Obviously the lights, if you want to use it, then charge it first. When it will have to be done, once fully charged you can use it continuously for 10 hours. The battery backup is also quite long lasting. The lights present in this helmet remain to control it. You will also get its remote, which you can use on your bicycle. If you can put it on the handlebar, then it has front lights as well as brake lights, and turn signals are also there. Friends, everything is in this one. And if you are concerned about your visibility on the road, do you want to be too concerned? Along with you, your entire bike all too. If you can see it from a distance, then it starts shining. These reflective pieces are budget friendly. You can buy stickers and apply them. Now you yourself will decide where it is to be fitted in the frame of the bike or wheels. If you want, you can put them in your helmet. You can also apply it, and then in the dark your bicycle will also shine like fire. These reflective stickers a lot come in all different colors and on reflect incident light, so to the observer from a distance it appears as if this is the light itself which is burning. Here's another one for bicycle riders. Strong light kit including tail light and turn. Both signals are combined into one. Simply you have to put its remote on the handle, but where you press its buttons easily get and turn signals, so you can use the wheels can be placed anywhere in the nearby space. one pair at the front and the other pair at the back, or if you want, you can place this light directly under the seat. Install these turn signals together will do the work, but when combined a brake light will glow red will also do the work. Yes, see, rear view of the bicycle. There are no mirrors, and if you are normal, if you order any mirror online then it will have the problem of glare, i.e. when light falls on it. If you read it from behind, you will not see something. This time anti-glare rear view mirrors show up only after making safety arrangements. Why not make everything perfect? The area of these mirrors is quite large, then you can see a very wide area at the back, plus designed quite well. They have a very stylish cut design. With the help of a screwdriver you can set mirrors on the handle of your bike yourself. This is multi-angled, multi-directional. You can rotate it 360 degree, can also do as per your requirement. If you want, you can remove its rod, and you can also increase the length significantly, i.e. these are fully customizable by the rider according to need. Friends, if you not like Previev's bike light, then this is even more simple and easy to install. It works in seconds, so it is rechargeable. Just charge them, turn them on and cycle, on the front handlebar, under the seat, or where to put the meaning next to the wheels, so see according to your own creativity. You can take it wherever you want. It glows in only two colors, red and white. White light which show the path ahead remains clear, and red for brake lights. Stick to your bicycle and set out. This light comes in the shape of a slim bar, and the interesting thing will be that apart from this, you can directly put it in your helmet. Guys, now as I said in the beginning, told that today from bicycle to bike, there is a gadget for all riders. Yes, now let's see the motorcycle. This is special for riders. Whatever old boring helmet, let's upgrade it. First you have to clean it thoroughly, means after cleaning the helmet, these lighting stickers were placed on the top side only. Put it on top, it won't look much good after that. Before you just need to have their remote, keep it in the pocket from inside the t-shirt, and then your boring helmet stylish, you will see something like this, right? It's always on. Along with this, 2 different flash modes are also available. Guys, is now a gadget that you have never seen it before. Coming from behind while riding a bicycle. Keep an eye on vehicles permanently. You want to have it, but you don't have mirrors in your bicycle. If you want to get it installed, then the second solution is this. This is how you have to wear gloves on your hands. Fits almost any size hand, become perfect, and then look at the mirror. Take out the end and put it up, that is, perpendicular position and all adjustments. After doing this, turn right and way in the mirror coming at you from behind vehicles will be clearly visible so that the road. Guys, now it's your turn. If you not still like the video, like it now, and also subscribe the channel. Also push bell to get notification of new video. Let's guys meet with new video with more fabulous gadgets. Take care of yourself and enjoy. Bye.